Top 15 Ways to Make Money Online in 2023. Start a YouTube channel and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing.
Become a social media influencer and monetize your following through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and brand collaboration.
Create and sell online courses through platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skill. Sell products on e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify. Launch a blog and monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Offer freelance services through websites like Upwork and Fiverr, such as writing, graphic design, or web development. Become an online tutor or instructor through websites like Chegg and VipKid. Participate in online marketplaces for freelancers, such as 99 Designs and Toptal. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other securities through online brokerage platforms like Robinhood and Coinbase. Complete online surveys through sites like Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie. Participate in online focus groups and user testing through websites like User Testing and Respondent. Provide transcription and captioning services through websites like Rev and Transcribem. Create and sell digital products, such as books and printables, on platforms like Gumroad and Payhip. Rent out your property on vacation rental platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo. Provide virtual assistants and administrative services through websites like Zirtual and Virtual Assistant Jobs.